How to add animations in WordPress website. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add animations to your WordPress website. So let's get into it. Now we're going to be using Lottiefiles. Now some of you guys might have heard of Lottiefiles, but these are not GIFs, these are not videos. These are lightweight animations that you can create, and you don't need to know code for this either. So you can go into Lottiefiles, and we're going to be building any animation you want, and then you can integrate that into WordPress. So let's get into it. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to go on to Lottiefiles.com and then click on sign up on the top right, and you can sign up with your email address. I'm just signing up with Google. And this will create our Lottiefiles account. Now, once we have built our Lottiefiles account, we can use one of their templates or even upload our own SVG file to be able to build our animations. So whatever animation you're looking to build, we're just going to let that come out. Now, from here, we have our role. And from here, you guys can see there are a bunch of different animations. You can upload an animation. You can create an animation like this. You have the Lottie logo, the polite chickie, the Yankee hamster, and you also have other tools where you can add Canva, integrate Figma, Adobe After Effects. And if we just open up Canva over here, you can install Lottiefiles for Canva, and you can just build animations like so as well. But just to get started, let's use an empty canvas, and in our empty canvas we can, insert any design like this one. This has a nice little beating heart effect like this, and it's color changing, and it has a bunch of different things added to it. This is just one element. We can upload our own assets as well. So if you upload your own asset, you can, upload your own JSON or your own SVG file. You can further edit those as well. So let's say we have this, and let's resize this, and now it's going to look like this. So I think it looks pretty cute, and you can, further edit it as well. You have this heart animation. We have the different layers of this, and we can go into our first layer, this layer. And then we can go into the appearance. Let's say I want to start with a pink color instead. I can put that in, and now it's a pink one, and then it slowly is going to be converting into a blue color. So I'm going to adjust that from a pink to maybe a red color like this, and you can go into like so. And we have a bunch of different colors over here as well. If I go ahead and go into maybe this section, we have the appearance we can customize, we have the presets we can also alter in Lottiefiles. But just taking one element, and let's say I want to just increase the size of this one like so. And now if I go into the animation, obviously it's looking a bit off, but if I move these together, I'll just move the rest of them together instead. And then we are going to maybe customize the appearance of this to build a gradient effect instead, like this. Then let's say we're going to make this slightly lighter so there's a higher contrast, like so. So now let's take a look at our new animation over here. And once you have, completed the design you want, you can also go into the duplicator. You have discover animations where you can search for different animations as well. It's totally up to you. You can click on export on the top right. And once we export this, we can see we have this particular animation. We're going to click on save. And once we click on save, you will see on the right side, you have the Lottie JSON. So we're going to click on download, and you just want to download this JSON code. Now, once we have completed our animation, we can go back into WordPress. And in WordPress, if you have Elementor Pro, you can go directly and open up your store or open up your website. And you can edit with Elementor like this. And if you are using Elementor Pro, you can easily just integrate Lottie animations into it, but I'll show you guys another way as well. So you can just search for Lottie, and you guys can see this is only for the Pro users. So if you do have that, you can go ahead and directly use that to insert your animations. But if you don't worry, we also have an alternate way. So you can go back into your WordPress dashboard, and you're going to go into plugins and click on add new plugin over here. From here, you're going to search for WordPress add-ons. And once you search for WordPress add-ons, there are some tools that allow you to add on WordPress tools or Elementor add-ons. I'll just search for Elementor add-on like this, and some tools give you access to that, so Royal Elementor add-ons. So we're going to click on install, and what this does is that this gives you access to some of the premium add-ons that are going to help you in using Elementor. So once you do that, you will see, you have some of the new tools integrated into Elementor. So just open your site again and go into edit page with Elementor. And once you do that, we are going to search for Lottie, and you will see there's this R version, and you can just drop that anywhere you want. And just like that, once you insert this, you're going to just take your Lottiefiles URL. So we have the external URL or media file. There are both the options. You can choose whichever one you want. So we can go ahead and share and hand off and embed, and we can just enable asset link, and then we can just copy the asset link. You also have HTML or iframe, the embed URL. There are a bunch of different options, so you can really choose whichever one you want. I'm going to just copy this asset link, and we are going to go back into WordPress, making sure this is the asset link, and we are going to paste that over here. And just like that, our animation is now present on WordPress. So you can choose the rotation however you want that. You can also set up the size however you want that to appear. So if you want it in a really big size, we can do that. You can decrease the size, increase the size, and you can choose a trigger as well. So I'm not going to choose a trigger, but I'm just going to click on publish on the top right, and just like that, we have taken an animation from Lottie and we have added that to our WordPress website. Now, one thing to note is that you don't necessarily even need this to be a Lottie animation. Just take any animation you created and just upload that onto Lottie, and then copy the Lottie link, and then you can just add that into WordPress. So it's really that simple and easy. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.